Hi there and welcome back to Stickle Town, and here's another canning video. I've been asked by quite a few people about canning in the Instant Pot Pro Plus. Right, the Instant Pot Pro Plus, we got the sun in the way there, has, see it there, a canning facility. It only holds 4 1-pint jars. That's all it will hold in any one go. This video is just about the Instant Pot Pro Plus. The Instant Pot Pro Plus can work off an app as well, Wi-Fi thingamajiggy. I'll put a link down below to this Instant Pot. Right, I mainly use this for canning up leftovers from dinner, etc., because it's an ideal size, just the 4 single pints. So in here today I have got 2 pints of what was it, what did we have last night? Middle Eastern lamb stew. So there's two pints of that left over from last night's dinner, and I have put in 2 jars of lamb bacon to help fill it up. So these are dry, there's no liquid in there. There's no thickeners in with that lamb stew at all. You don't want to be canning up anything which has got flour, corn flour in, because it just makes it too dense for the heat, etc., to penetrate through. So anyway, the water, right, water, if you can see it there, is, yeah, a couple of inches up the jars. Lids are on. Lock that in place. When it's unlocked, that is there lined up. When it's locked, that goes right round and it lines up with that there. That shows it is locked. This is the vent for venting. You want to make sure that is nice and loose, nothing is blocking it. Put the cover on. The cover's got some little venty holes in as well. Right, let's get started. I'm going to turn it away from the window because the sun is streaming in. Okay. Let me display back up. Put your glasses on so I can see. Got too much reflection there. Right, I'm choosing canning. Now you've got an option of low pressure or maximum. I want maximum. Venting, you've got an option of natural or pulse or quick. For the canning, you want the natural. There is, I don't know if you can see it that side, a keep warm facility. And if you press the keep warm, the little, I've lost my display, there we go, that little symbol there will come on. That means it's going to keep warm when it finishes. We don't want it to keep warm. So we're going to press keep warm on the display again, that goes off. So everything is on, we now need to adjust the time. So we press the time, and we're going to do 1 hour, 15 minutes, because it's meat. Right, and that is it. We are all systems go. So it's now doing its thing, and when it's ready it will beep, and we'll come back to it once it's all done. Right, now it has finished, it's run through its cycle, it has finished venting because the little thing has dropped down, so it can now be opened safely. as the bacon. It's really shrunk down, but it doesn't matter. And that's the leftover lamb stew. And I know there hasn't been an issue with siphoning because the water is still clear. So we'll just leave them jars to cool now and seal, and then they can be labelled and put away.